I mean, I like acid.
Yep.
Not that kind.
I'm aware.
Wow.
Alright.
Here first,
I
go.
will draw for turn.
I knew what you meant.
Okay.
I will ride Raizer and draw for ride. And then I'll pass the turn.
Okay. Draw for turn. Ride.
Store has a bunch of extra
That's a card.
Draw for ride.
single rares from the new support if you
Swing for
have
it.
any way to use some of them. I think some of them
I'll
are
take
okay.
it.
Wait, where'd this go from?
Alright, check. No trigger.
That's a scary card. I don't like that. Oh no. Alright, I'll draw for turn. It's a sad draw.
70. I'll go first.
Alright.
Okay.
Refilling Raizer. Now get in there for
Not too
9k.
Wait, you lied. That's a new card.
That's the only one he has.
Oh.
All this.
And that's to be some game and play set. No guard.
Oh, you're right. Draw trigger. I'll draw for the draw.
I wish I could
trigger.
open some for the
Okay.
life salvation.
Damage check.
Set, but
Yeah, no,
I didn't get any.
Draw for turn.
Because the store was sold out by the time I came by the store.
Sad Berserk because I didn't want to play any rear cards when you had Berserk trigger.
I still get to draw a card off of it. Draw for skill.
Yeah, that's such an expensive draw card.
It's really
No,
not.
it's actually it's worth it.
I mean, it is still worth it
Yeah.
because it's draw.
The only time it's not worth it is if you have like a full armor buster in hand, you need the soul blast too.
No trigger.
Nothing. Another one of the beast deities. I'll stand.
Yeah, it's like Kagero.
Return.
Yep.
It's just a lot of money, and I
Perfect
don't play it
Raizer.
enough anymore.
We'll get an Excel
Gotcha.
That kind of worth it.
Weren't you gonna build
I was looking at premium. Even if I do,
Overlord great?
oh, I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
combo.
Still not enjoying it that much.
Huh.
It's after
Why
playing
didn't you just
premium, I'm
play
not
it in
like
the front?
I don't like how kind of
Anyway,
straightforward
go.
Kagero is to play through a lot of times.
The synergy is
It really is.
perfect.
Sometimes it's usually obvious what the right line of play is.
Then
Yeah,
hit boy.
it definitely can be. Alright, go for it.
Even
This
standard
one's got
Shadow
plus
Paladins, you have to kind of think about where you want to use your resources a bit more.
And I'll get in there for. That's
go.
30.
Sword
We'll get in there
breaker.
for 14 plus
Main
9. We'll
skill.
get in there for 23,000.
Okay, we'll start with no guard. No trigger.
32,000.
32. And it's going to get restood when you counterblast 2.
No guard?
Shall we change this to 6 in the front row?
So,
Okay.
3 in the back row.
how much did you say it is?
It's 32.
No trigger.
I'm at 10. Hold on.
That's you.
Power event. Draw for trigger.
Sure.
Right a Maka.
I'll get in there for 12,000.
Let's go
One
skill
pass, go.
main. Grab a sword breaker. Skill sword breaker.
Oh my
and I'll draw a card.
Those are some Berserk cards.
Man, if you were writing that and checked those, it would be better.
And that's going to be.
I actually just ordered yesterday
You're not going to restand?
3 more
yeah, when I
Makas,
attack
1
before
IMR blaster
checks.
guard for premium.
Huh?
No, I have to
Yeah.
win that when I attack before drive checks.
Oh,
Also
you're
for
right.
the
Okay.
Dragon
Draw
Lord
return.
from Premium Collection because it's got the full text.
We will
Those
ride.
were like $3
Draconic
piece, so
Overlord.
it's
Yep,
bad.
Draconic Overlord.
Love that card.
The SP, I
Force counter
I
on-
really need the SP. Like I'm gonna try to max already that as much as I want it to be, basically.
Force counter
Yeah.
on the
So I'm not
Vanguard.
getting like
Yep.
the Dragabyss Lord
We
SPs that are like
will-
$30 a piece because they look very similar to the Triple Rare one from the Revival Collection.
Play.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna be. Okay, I didn't use this skill even. Power Blast draw. It's gonna be wait, being premium. 10k man.
Tiring, yep.
Okay.
No trigger.
Damage? Sure.
10k.
So blast 1. Swing 33 man. Okay.
Here we go.
Check 1. Crit power. Check 2. No skills. No, I mean, no trigger. 25 man, 2 crit.
27.
Yep.
Are you not running arrows in your deck anymore? Good looks.
I am. I just have more than I can earn.
I will
Well,
ride it.
it's like a $15 bill right now,
Send a
so
rear.
Is it
I
really?
consider looking to buy, selling it.
Is it really $15?
Matt, you're good.
Right now, yeah.
You ready, Brooks?
Yep.
That's right.
Sure.
Okay.
Try.
What is your custom? Jet Riser's got plus 6
And
damage.
draw.
Oh, I've only done 2 damage.
Right.
Yeah, you only done 2 damage.
That's right, because you blocked both
I
attacks
guess
last
blaster.
I
time.
sure did. 22,000.
Force
That's
gift
your
here.
record.
No guard the first one.
Okay.
Yeah, there's there, Emma.
You have skill in the main.
21,000 at your Vanguard. 10,000 blocks. 2 bad draw triggers.
Grab another one.
Okay.
32,000. Actually, 25,000.
When it's taxing, power blast one.
20,000 blocks.
Yeah. I retire 2 and you retire 1, and I
12,000
draw
right
a card, and if I've got a grade 3
I will
blaster and my
counterblast
soul,
you
it
and
gets
just
plus
add
1 critical for
abilities.
each trigger I retired.
13, this is 21, that's...
So it'd be crit 3.
Round 22, we're gonna restart over here.
Okay,
Well,
one
you don't
hit.
have a grade 3 with blaster in the soul.
Yeah.
On hit.
Well, yes.
In,
Nothing again.
if there was more stuff in standards that let you
Sadness,
retire,
hit.
that let me retire my own stuff,
Countercharge 1,
other than
and
using
plus
unless I
plus
go in
plus
Vanguard circle,
5,000
or
to
on a Vanguard
Raizer.
circle, I'd totally get a
27,000.
3 critical.
Really?
But yeah, it's just an
27.
automatic when your rear guard is retired. If your soul has a grade
Blocks.
3 blaster,
15
it
blocks.
gets plus 1 critical.
Yep.
Yeah, that could be pretty crazy in
32.
premium if you're not striding, but that's
Yeah.
probably bad.
PG. Tossing.
Unfortunately, also there's the
PG fodder.
but it doesn't
That's
fit
his
into
name.
the word deck.
That's it for me.
Yeah,
Okay,
definitely not.
draw for turn. Cards in hand.
It's gonna be 13k at the end.
4. We'll go for it.
Waterfall.
Okay.
Waterfall.
There you
And
go.
second check no triggers.
Retiring.
Draw trigger? Power band and draw.
How big is it now?
15.
Yes.
15. Wait, what? You mean 20?
Yes.
Alright, yeah, then it's 15 over this one hit.
Playing
Here we go.
Armor Knight. And
And switching back and forth
playing
pistols.
Berserk Dragon. Soul Blasting 1. Crown and Blasting 1.
Okay, Jordan just said.
Retiring. For sure,
Yep.
He said that he's wanting to be up around
He's
6
gone.
o'clock.
Yeah, that works.
Okay. Count. Soul Blast a grade 3. 10, 20.
Gonna be taking it.
Okay.
Big number.
Check 1. Check 2.
Neither of
No
us are hitting triggers, so it's okay. I have hit 0 triggers this entire game.
Okay. We're going to swing in for.
This is a sad game.
This is gonna be a day of Vanguard.
Yeah.
Um,
Well, I mean, it's good now
13,
because it's not gonna happen at the store for a little while.
That's
Like-
true.
and, yeah,
Just a couple
13,
days.
yeah.
Yeah.
15.
Skill wall.
No, only 10, sorry.
Van is
Well,
46.
Jet Raiser's better
critical
than
too?
3.
Oh.
Because it gets one from
Okay.
yourself and one from block. To your van.
Ooh, that's a good card. Where'd you go?
How big?
We are going to play
46.
Iron Killers,
2 cards from hand.
Yeah.
Raizer Custom.
It's 35, 48. That's 1 to pass right now.
We're
Let's
gonna
make
get in.
it
Oh,
2
you
to
got plus
pass.
6,000 right here.
First.
Let's see, it's
Cool.
18, this
We'll go
one
off.
is 13, 21.
10
We'll get in there for 18,000, 10k blocks.
Power here.
It sure does.
Oh my god. 3 damage?
Yeah.
21,000.
Okay, first check, second check,
No
third check, no triggers.
18 to van, 2 crit.
24,000.
Toss and curl.
12,000 at your Vanguard. I will count
23.
those 2.
Okay.
Restand these 3.
Okay, it's already 1 to pass.
Second truck. So, PBD.
Front trigger.
Wow.
Front trigger.
Gonna go
No heal. That's match.
Maka.
Alright.
Skill.